Hello guys, in today's video, we're gonna be mining with my friend, I don't know where he is. Oh, he's right there. And we're gonna be getting magma cubes. Like, I'm pretty rich in Animal Company. But yeah, you still gotta go mining for stuff. So yeah, we're gonna be mining, and he's not that rich, so we're gonna have to make him rich. But let's get into it. Okay, so chuck that bag in your storage because you're not gonna use that. We're gonna use nut shredder.
Hey. Give me my free ice cream sundae, monkey boy.
Here, take this.
Okay. Hey, wait. There we go. What's this stuff? Oh, it's money. Oh, wow, money.
What? Oh, I'm on weapons. That actually scared me. What else do I need?
Do something. I'm the plug.
What are you doing?
I have to plug my VR.
Okay, wait, what was I gonna do again? Oh yeah, so I have my nut shredder on my back, right?
Oh, wait. I can just get my,
And I'm going mining, Bennett. Bye-bye. Already mining right now. It's not scary at all. You can pass this. You got this, Bennett. I know, I'm already mining. Oh yeah, the nut shredder actually is like invisible, so you could almost get infinite, but it gets you a little bit more. So it never shows the nuts, so you could almost get like infinite until you give up, because it never fills. It's a glitch. It's a glitchy glitch. Spider. No, you can keep killing him though. But let's go get some magma cubes after I kill this big guy. To the lava place. I'm in the lava place right now. I already got my daily research plans, so. Oh, I'm lagging. Yeah. Two. Just don't come in unless there's when there's an angler, because I don't want you to die.
Well, did you kill him already?
Yeah, I killed him. But he might respawn though. Well, he is gonna respawn, but. And that is him! That's what we do. That is what. Oh, okay. I think I'm. Yeah, I killed him. Let's go get toenail jobs. That's what we do. Oh yeah, and also I'm gonna make all of my videos with this guy right here because he moved in on me because he's homeless. So.
Hey, I'm not home.
Yeah, so he's just building a new house right now, and he had to have a house to live in, so he just moved in. He's on me! He's on me, it's fine.
I'm getting him. I killed
No,
him.
I did.
No, I did.
I did.
I helped. Because I saw I did some damage. Now that's a lot of damage. What did you get from him?
This.
A crossbow? Wait, are you allowed to put them in your hip slots?
I only have 10 gigabytes left to store.
More magma cubes. More magma cubes. Research point.
Nice.
Nuts. Or not.
Oh, it's full. Let's go. Hit a green thing.
What? What's that?
Okay, let's go. Hurry and hit a green thing.
Bro, I be bugging with my grappler. I was bugging.
No. I'm gonna kill Mr. Spooter. Animals are, wait, green thing. Yeah. Oh my God, Bennett, keep up. No, why would I be, yeah, Bennett, right here. I already killed the spider, it's fine. Ready?
I can hear him. Okay. Oh, let's hope both are not shredders.
How many magma cubes did you get in your nut shredder?
Not as much as you.
And please fix that glitch. I mean, it's actually annoying. Can't see how much nuts you have. Pretty good, pretty good.
Oh my God! How much do you get?
I got 10,690.
I got 8,000. You want to go mining in sewers now?
No, sewers sucks.
But do you want to go mining again? Just join the code BJ191.
Okay. Oh yeah, our fan codes are BJ19 and BJ191, so that's only an animal company though. Help! Oh no. Okay, good. Turn on this light.
This kid has $82,000 now.
Eat this.
Why?
So your health goes up.
I didn't lose any health.
No, that's a waste of money, but it's fine because I have infinite money. Take this, Bennett.
Oh yeah. I forgot.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Like, subscribe, comment, and share for more videos like this. I call this one, oh, green thing already? Okay, now we know what one to come through when we want to leave. It's right here, but we don't want to leave yet.
Where's right here?
They're all going down to the bottom. I'm gonna get this one first.
Going to the lava place.
Good luck surviving.
What? Where are you going?
I went down to collect all of that, but let's go. Here, wait, hold up. Let me kill him first.
You're just angling him in?
Where's this ding dong? What? Why isn't he in? Where is he? Oh, here he is. Easy kill. I'm not scared of you. And there's also a lot of magma cubes over here, so I'm gonna get this.
Wait, let me get some. Let me get some! I found a base where the angler can't get you.
We bring the boo. That's what we do. You killed Angler? I love him. He's so easy to kill. I would hate him if you don't have a grappler, that's for sure. Yeah?
Off the roof. About to hit the green thing.
No, don't hit the green thing. We don't even have a full one yet.
Wait, I can hear you. I can hear you. There.
A professional mining trip is where you get where you get a full nut shredder.
Hey!
Sorry.
I'm gonna go get the gold.
Yo, I'm at aquarium right now. Aquam. I'm at Planet Aquam. Might be lost in it, but you never know.
Hey, Luca.
Yeah?
I don't know where you are. I'm going to hit the green.
Fine, you can make no money. It's fine. Are you actually?
This is actually so rude. Oh, I see you. Let's go to Planet Aquam.
No. You don't need to. There's lots of gold in here, so I'm gonna kill all these monsters. We're gonna die in here, so.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Yeah, you just leave until I get them. Killed that guy, there's still one more guy left.
Right there?
Nice. I'm really far away, so. No. If it stops beeping.
Where'd you go? Okay, let's go back. Hit the green thing.
I'm not going back yet.
You've already get
Nice.
I killed Rock Monkey.
Okay, all of them should be respawning right now. Here, I'll kill this last guy. That wasn't. I just died. Get my grappler, hurry! Get my. See, I'm already here. Already gonna get it. It's fine. I'm gonna grab all of ours. Okay, so there's two guys right here. So if I kill them both really quick. Oh, I got a free nut shredder. Yeah, I did.
No, quit the game and rejoin.
I am. Quit. I got an extra nut shredder because that I broke. Yeah, it's because I broke a box and I opened a nut shredder. So we're going to BJ19. Is that the code that you're in? Oh yeah. Okay, I'm in BJ19-1.
Let's go. We killed him.
No.
Oh no.
No. Maybe. No.
I got to go fight. Oh. You're a heavy boy, not a toasty boy.
Is this one's the empty one? Wait, don't sub me. That's filled. That's filled. This one's the empty one, but that's fun. It's pretty good.
I only got 5,000.
I got 7,000. Okay, I'm gonna end the video. Okay, well that was a stressful trip and we did it.
Yeah, but we might have died a couple times. But it's okay, we all make mistakes. That's one lesson you should learn from this video. We all make mistakes.
Okay, well, bye-bye.